Okay, so I decided to start this kind of devlog video series, and on this video I will show one problem that I have found. So here we can first select the signals that we want to plot. So I will select this alpha HFI, beta HFI, and then the bandpass filter at alpha and beta. So these are also for HFI signals, and then I will plot this HFI data and EMF data. So these are the motor position. This EMF data is calculated from the back EMF values, and this is from the saliency tracking, the HFI. So then we can start, and actually let's start it from here. So I actually had the HFI running already, but so here we can see the signals. So we can hide something from here. So now if I rotate this motor, we can see this alpha and beta HFI signals, they are changing. So if we go like here, we can see how the modulation is changing, and that is telling us the HFI data position. So this is the HFI data. So it's calculated based on these signals. And this is working very well. We can rotate it fast and it always knows like position. And then we can also plot this EMF data now. But the problem I have found, I have to do one thing first. Okay, so now if I'm applying like 24 amps here, and I rotate the motor, even without sensors, it is able to track the position. But with this current as like this much, if I make very fast rotation, it will lose one electrical revolution and it will start to rotate to opposite direction. So let's see. So now it lost the position and it's trying to rotate wrong direction, and I can also change it back. So we can set this to 0, and we can try to find the position where it happened. I think it was somewhere here. I can start it again so it's easier. I can also show the 4 amps. Now it doesn't lose the position, and I can even increase it to like 12 amps and it won't lose the position. But this like 24 amps seems to be currently the limit. So at this point I will stop the logging for a while. So if I now rotate it fast, it will lose the position and we can check what happened there. Or I mean, it doesn't lose the position, but it loses like 1/2 revolution of electrical cycles, and it will start to rotate wrong direction. If we look here, so the part where it lost the track, let's see, I think it was somewhere here. I might need to do this again. So now it's rotating wrong. So if we start logging and let's see. So here we can see it's rotating one direction, okay, and here it started rotating like opposite direction. And but something I noticed, so if we go like here, we can see when it's working normally, this alpha and beta modulation, they are changing as they should be changing. Like we can zoom even closer somewhere like this. So this pattern here, and that's like how it should go. But when I rotate it very fast wrong direction, it kind of freezes this alpha and beta frame for this HFI, and it's not able to track position, and it kind of like just freezes this way. So, and and then it will start to rotate wrong direction. So one thing I have to check is that, so currently I'm using 1 kHz HFI signal. So I will try to change that to maybe 2 kHz or even 3 or 4. And then I can also move my all filterings at those frequencies. So then there will be like a bigger gap between the electrical revolutions and this HFI. So it might help, but I'm not sure if that's the reason. One thing I also noticed that even if I increase the HFI amplitude more, it won't help with that problem. So currently I have set this HFI amplitude around like total it's around like 500 milliamps peak to peak. But yeah, that's one problem on firmware side I'm currently investigating. But yeah, thanks for watching.